Why is cloud computing so crucial in the digital world we live in today? The answer lies in its transformative power. Cloud computing has revolutionized how we store and manage data, how we develop and deploy software, and how we utilize computing resources. Imagine this: a student embarking on a journey to understand cloud computing. A journey made simpler, more interactive, and engaging with the help of a workbook. This workbook is a guide, a mentor that takes the student through the labyrinth of cloud computing, using Google Cloud services. It starts with the basics, like setting up a virtual machine using Compute Engine, and gradually delves into more complex topics, such as data storage and management, with cloud storage and cloud SQL. The workbook does not merely explain, it encourages hands-on learning, prompting students to build and deploy simple machine learning models using Google AI platform, perform data analytics and queries using BigQuery, and even develop and host web applications using Google App Engine or Kubernetes Engine. It's not just about learning, it's about experiencing. The workbook provides real-world scenarios, allowing students to apply their knowledge, test their skills, and rectify their mistakes in a controlled environment. And what's more, Google Cloud offers several ways for students to access its services for free or at a reduced cost. From the Google Cloud free trial and free tier to the Google Cloud for higher education and Google Cloud free for students, the possibilities are many and varied. So, what's the takeaway from this workbook? It's more than just knowledge or skills, it's empowerment. The workbook equips students with the necessary tools to navigate the world of cloud computing confidently and efficiently. In a world that's increasingly digital, cloud computing isn't just a skill, it's a necessity. And this workbook, it's the perfect companion on that journey of learning. So whether you're a beginner exploring the world of cloud computing or a seasoned professional looking to upgrade your skills, this workbook is your key to unlocking the vast potential of cloud computing. Remember, the future is in the cloud, and with this workbook, you're one step closer to that future.